So I was just living the gray life.
But Mario's Hair Designers happens to be the latest and greatest on the latest, greatest hair color line. Fido makes non-ammonia, but it can cover the gray 100% as you can see, and she has lowlights here, which I will show closer. She has beautiful chocolate caramel colors right here. I lift them up and I tone them down so it goes a long way instead of just in a week it shows so light. We do it more of a low light finish. That way she enjoys it long term.
Yeah, I came to visit Mario just to talk about business, and he wasn't paying attention to me. He says, "When is the last time you did your hair?" It's like, it's been a while. So he was not paying attention to me, and he was like, "Oh, your hair looks like crap," basically. And I wasn't in disagreement with him. So I made an appointment, and I just folded and went along with the process. And I'm actually really, really happy because I thought I would be always gray for the rest of my life.
This is your third or fourth visit?
Third, I think. Is it? Yeah, third. And we're meeting before Christmas for the fourth time, I think. Yeah.
And we both Sagittarius.
Yeah, we're the best
people
sign of this in the astrology sign. We're
I have a
very
lot of
honest.
Sagittarius
We're
customers.
down to earth, very candid, very smart,
And stubborn.
And stubborn.
Has to be, you know. Honest people are stubborn.
But we're very good people.
Amen.
And operate from the heart.
Yep.
We're not jealous. We're not envious. We want genuinely people to excel and achieve things.
Yep. Absolutely.
So yeah, he got me. So he got himself a client by being very candid and blunt. And he says, "Oh my gosh, your hair looks like crap."
And let's go back to your underground experience. What did you used to do in the early days?
In the early days, I went to fashion school. I worked in hair as well for Tony and Guy. I was a color. I learned to be a color technician. Then I moved to the US.
From where?
From the Netherlands, and I became a translator at first before I got my green card, and then I decided, let me go into real estate, got my license. And
Did
now,
you say real estate?
yes.
You said real estate?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So I started as a showing agent with Redfin, and then I became a lead agent involved with transactions, and now I lead a team of 25 agents. And
Congratulations.
we're the best real estate
Success.
brokerage.
What a success story. How long you been in America, by the way?
2014.
Since 2014.
Yes, 10 years.
So did you ever ask government to pay you anything?
No, I did not.
Proud of you. Guys, we contribute to the system. We don't take out the system, we contribute. I've been here since 1985. Not a one day, ever. Ever. We believe in giving back and lifting. That's what the life is about.
It's all about mindset. This is what I practice
Amen.
every day.
Amen.
Don't be negative. Just set goals for yourself and think about what you're thinking in your subconscious brain power. I mean,
Look at this color, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
always pause and decide how you want
Shake
to
your hair for me.
respond or think about something.
Super.
Because if you want to be successful, you have to have a positive mindset.
Amen. Love it. We gotta invite all the Mario's Hair Designers, ladies, and you can be the life coach.
I truly practice this in my personal life, in my business life, and
Amen.
it's easy to be negative, including myself, and I have to lead by example. So
Totally. Same
Just-
here.
pause. If somebody asks you, how are you doing? Just pause. Don't say, oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm this, I'm that.
Yeah. I need a
Because-
drink.
If you say it
Yeah.
over and over, it becomes redundant,
Exactly.
and it becomes very annoying for the receiver.
100% agree. Because it's almost like if you have a flower, if you put oil, what happens? If you put water, what happens? The same thing. How you feed yourself. negative builds on, become negative. It's almost like a ladder. You know, each ladder has steps.
Imagine you talk to 30, 40 people a day and everybody asks you, hey, how are you doing, Mario? I mean, you're in this profession. You meet people every day.
Amen.
When you tell them honestly what the first thing is on your mind, oh my gosh, I feel so tired, I'm exhausted.
Zero. I worked on the cruise ships 1985, 86, 87. My word, how are you? Excellent. I never changed that word because we had to get excellent every cruise to the common
And
carb.
it's not that you're trying to lie to yourself. It's just you're choosing
How I
to
feed my
control
mind.
your mind.
And I became excellent.
Yes.
You know? You are what you eat, you are what you say you are, you are who you say you are, and it shows, right?
Just
Right,
be
Miss
mindful.
LaBelle?
This
Miss
is the
LaBelle?
lesson.
Mario
Just-
is the best. We love you.
So
are you.
My lesson is just be mindful about your thought process and just be intentional on how you think about things and just always pause and choose to think the right way. That's
Thank
it.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So when is Kate coming? Kate, when you coming to see me? It's Christmas, holidays coming, you know, everybody.
We all have life, we all have struggles. It's your choice on how you want to cope with that.
Honestly, you know, when you have a bad day and pick up the phone and call Mario Sertazanes, we make you look amazing. I mean, about an hour ago, your hair was different color. Now it's like a voila, beautiful.
You're the best.
You look
babe.
like a queen. You are the queen, Dutch queen. I remember being in Amsterdam, I swear to God, and it was pouring rain. Military had this color like this and beard, full uniform. It was a, believe it or not, Polish president or somebody was coming. I couldn't believe it. It's pouring rain. Everyone like standing like this. Soldiers welcoming the Polish president. So you have an amazing country you came from, by the way. So guys, she looking amazing. Next Wednesday, yes ma'am, I got you. I'll be here for you.
Yeah,
Hand and feet.
Go make an appointment. Just be honest with him what you want. He's a very good
She
person.
never tells me anything. I just do her hair.
I told him he needs to hire a painter to paint the salon. He says he wants to do it himself. I taught him about the saying, penny wise, pound foolish. You are committing yourself to hire someone.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
I shall.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Look at this, guys. Check it out. Miss G. Robinson with Redfin Realtor, and she is the best. She doesn't make, we never make mistakes. We make discoveries. We weren't actually going to cut the hair today. Wait until after her birthday, which is December 9 or 8. When's your birthday? 9 or 8?
November 30th.
November 30th. What? I thought it was December. Okay, so. All right, coming up, baby. You know, somebody else told me. The woman before you, or somebody was their birthday. Everybody has, so many people have a birthday in the family. Who was that, Riasan? They're all December 1st, this.
It's
I
my
have been
daughter's
so busy
birthday
today.
too on the 30th.
You're dead?
My daughter. So
Yeah.
I don't celebrate my birthday anymore because it's about her. And
She
then
was
my
your
son
birthday gift.
is exactly December 6th. We're all Sagittarius at the house.
Voila.
Very pleasant.
Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Gorgeous colors. I'm going to celebrate my birthday in the mountains.
When is yours? December 1st, huh?
Yeah.
That's why we get along, to be honest.
Sag. Well,
December ones are different from the November ones, though.
why is that?
I don't know. You
Okay.
guys are a little bit more, how would I call it? A little bit more spicy, I would say.
Spicy, yeah. That's why I like spicy food,
Yeah.
right, yes, son? I put spice in my food all the time. Like a lot of spice.
I like spicy food too, but I think we're more consistent. You guys are a little bit more emotional, I think.
You know, Ria was born on February 14th. She says she's a Valentine baby.
Yes. So
December
she
13th is my anniversary as
what is
well as my
she?
birthday.
What is her sign?
What's your sign, Ria son?
Aquarius.
Aquarius.
Yeah, they're nice
Aquarius.
people too. Very
Sincere and
yeah,
honest.
sincere and very energetic and a lot of fun to be with.
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't seen that side of her.
Oh, you're just such an ass. Just shut up.
Excuse-moi. You are the best. Thank you, G. I heard that.
Yes.
I'll take that as a compliment. What can I say? We don't make mistakes, we make discoveries, right?
Absolutely.
Woo, look at this. So hot here. All right. Guys, have a wonderful, beautiful, and a delightful, look at the words, wonderful, beautiful, and delightful Thursday night.
And a whole nice weekend. Spend time with your family. Spend quality